Hi everyone, Diamond Paintings here with Pearl. I got my package from Amazon, and I'm expecting 2 paintings from this box. And let's see what's inside of this. Always a good day when you get your package. It's the best day ever. Okay, now I remember what I ordered. This is the what you call this one, the Christmas hat. I already have this, but the other one I gifted it, so I wanna replace it, so I got this one. And I can't remember what this is. I think this is the hummingbird painting. Okay, let's check on this. Okay, let's open this first painting. I'm expecting this to be the bird. It's a hummingbird. It's a 30 by 30 centimeter or 12 by 12 inches. And painting because it's small. Oh yeah, it's very small. I never worked with this small project before. It's very small. Covered with this clear plastic. Look at this. Okay, let's take a look at this. Straighten it up. Oh, I think it's the other way around. You see, I can't even see. Oh yeah, this way. So there's this hummingbird. Where's the hummingbird on this picture? Oh, there's the hummingbird. This one. And the flowers. Let's see. It's very clear. And it has 33 color drills. Alright, it's going to be an easy project. There's no creases or any bubbles on it, so this one is a good one. Included on this on the painting is the diamond painting kit that has this boat or the tray, the wax, and this pen with a 3 placer and a 1 placer, and lots of these Ziploc bags. And then this is their drills. It says 32 on this canvas. Like on their inventory here, they put the number. They numbered the drills from 1 to 33, and then they put in the symbols and the DMC codes here on the other side. Okay, let's look at this. So it's 32. Oh, they didn't number it, they just put the MC codes there, but they didn't put the numbers from 1 to 32. Let me fix this one and then let you know if it's complete or not. Okay, but they have very good quality of beads here. They're round drills. Alright, I arranged all the drills and it's complete. Let me turn this around, this drill, so you can see all the colors here. It's very colorful painting. It's going to be very colorful. Look at all these colors here. Okay. Probably it will take you just 2 days to do, or 3 days if you have a lot of time. You know, sometimes you can do it like overnight for these small paintings like this. Yeah, this will be an easy project. Alright, look at all these colors. And the drills are very good too. Okay, let me take a look at this painting here. I already did like inventory on this. I just want to take a look at it and see. Yeah, this one. Yeah, this Christmas hat is really gorgeous. Yeah, this one has 37 drills. Yeah, doesn't have any creases at all. See, it's a very clean painting. No bubbles. Just look at that, very shiny. And look at the symbols, very clear. This painting comes with the kit, and their kit includes the tray, the wax, and they have a tweezer here, a pen with a picker, like a 1, and probably this is an 8 placer. Okay, so that's all you need anyway. That's all you need if you do painting. And it comes with this paper inventory. Okay, look at this picture. Ain't it gorgeous? Look at this. Oh, you know what? Their bags looks different now. It's like with this silver lining, something like here, silver. Before it was just a clear one. So this is neat. Look, they numbered it. There's the number. You can probably see there, number 1. Okay, and this is the, I think, drill. Let me see the DMC code. The first number is, first DMC code is 150. Where's the 150 here? Okay, there's the DMC code over here. Okay, and let's see, 1, 2, 3. Let's see. Look at all these colors. 3, 4, 5. This painting has a lot of purples. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Let's see, 19. So this is 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. Look at this. I love this green color, mint green color here. 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37. It's very colorful. Oh, this is a square drill. Yeah, I ordered a square drill. I didn't remember. I thought everything that I ordered was a round drill, but this is a square drill. Look how beautiful they are. Oh, something is mixed there. Just one. That's okay. That's probably everything. Every time you have a mix drill, it's the next one or the next drill close to it. That's okay. So look at all this. Thank you for joining me again. God bless everyone. This is again Diamond Paintings with Pearl telling everybody happy drilling. Bye bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Follow me on my Facebook page, Diamond Painting with Pearl. Okay? See you on my next video.